Welcome to Falcon Education, where we empower minds and shape futures. Today, we bring you a powerful dictation session through a mock interview setup. Listen, learn, and level up your language skills. 40 dictation words for thoughts. 1. Idea. 2. Notion. 3. Belief. 4. Opinion. 5. Perspective. 6. Reflection. 7. Insight. 8. Perception. 9. Concept. 10. Vision. 11. Assumption. 12. Realization. 13. Understanding. 14. Awareness. 15. Contemplation. 16. Intuition. 17. Thought. 18. Reasoning. 19. Speculation. 20. Consideration. 21. Imagination. 22. Judgment. 23. Hypothesis. 24. Mindset. 25. Impression. 26. Conclusion. 27. Inspiration. 28. Interpretation. 29. Analysis. 30. Outlook. 31. Philosophy. 32. Concentration. 33. Meditation. 34. Rumination. 35. Cognition. 36. Viewpoint. 37. Memory. 38. Evaluation. 39. Forecast. 40. Projection. Great job. Every word you master brings you one step closer to your dreams. Keep practicing and stay tuned with Falcon Education, your partner in growth, learning,